properly.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Life Designer! Gonna make crab curry guys, Kerala style crab curry. So guys, it's so exciting because Nev is also here. She's gonna cook again.
Oh my god, we are all gonna cook again. This time it's crab curry, amazing. You know, one of
Guys, today
most
morning we bought crab and we cleaned it and all.
Cleaning
so
crab was a hectic task.
So she was cleaning it.
Everyone was there.
we were not able to shoot that, but obviously now we're gonna show how we are going to
the rest of the process.
Every ingredient is amazing, and we can go.
Yeah, let's go.
enjoy this.
Late cleaning the crabs. She's almost done. This is the last batch. Come, Lit.
Yeah. I doubt if they fall down. Oh my god.
So today morning she was with this.
It's not
He
smooth
was
to
with
handle.
the light. Okay.
We have enough crab.
Oh, nice.
Freshly, neatly cleaned crabs.
So here we have Zo taking the B-rolls of everything, guys. Hi, Zo, cameraman.
Behind the scenes.
Oh my god!
And Io is here, ready with the grinded coconut, just like last time.
Yes, she worked really hard for getting that one jar of milk
You
from
can see
coconut.
this, it's how
And
white.
it's so thick. And this is how she made it.
This was second work, then the last time she only grinded
Exactly,
it.
now
she
she's
had
like-
to take the milk.
Which side are you pouring?
So she grated coconut
Okay, guys, this is like a
meal, but
We are not
hard.
This time, this is for cutting vegetables, not for eating. Okay. Yeah, I'll take the milk.
tomatoes.
And I'm taking ginger and garlic.
Uh-huh.
So I guess this much
I'm
only
taking
tomato
this
is there.
curry
I already took tomato.
Tomatoes. Okay, easy task. You should have taken coconut.
She would have taken
Coconut
onions.
is
She
not
will keep
there.
on crying.
Oh God, I took the onions and this is quite a bit.
I don't want to cry today.
Okay, guys,
What are
I
you
took
up
the
to?
curry leaves, chilies, and also lemon leaves. We'll wash them and cut them properly.
Yeah, sure. Come on.
Now, do you have enough lemon leaves? Yeah.
Here with
With the box.
Then I'm planning to clean tomato.
So tomatoes are here. So I'm keeping inside this and I'm gonna wash it.
What are you gonna explain all the steps? You're gonna pour water next. And here everyone is super busy. Zo has started.
Preparing myself to cry. This will be the most
Oh,
right
Lord.
day for Zoo.
A lot of onions, a lot.
And we have a lot of knives gratefully so that we can multitask. We are like sections. Onions 1%, lemon and
Okay, let's see what others are up to.
Okay, so now I'm washing the chilies. We need a lot of chilies for today's curry. Let's make it more spicy. Now we'll wash the lemon leaves. We just plucked these leaves from our backyard, from our lemon tree. I checked the lemons; they are still, small, started growing right now. So might take some 2-3 weeks for the lemons also to grow up. Then we can use them. And then we have our curry leaves. Even these curry leaves are from our tree. Okay, these curry leaves are washed now.
I heard lid completing crack. Okay, now I'm going to wash ginger. I think there is no need of washing the garlic. Lot of ginger, guys.
There is a lot of murder.
Yeah, it will take some time. These are roughly washed. Take it into the plate and I'll go for scraping the skin. Yes. This
I'm removing the
sad
garlic.
story. Look at these people. 2 people crying.
Crying. What happened to you?
And we still haven't even started chopping yet. So, this is gonna be.
I thought of helping her, but
Bro,
not to.
and if you use like water to keep them, then you won't be like that much crying. The harshness of the onion will reduce. Yeah. Take a bowl.
Where we want this one.
No.
Now you're saying it. I can just use my tears to like soak them right now.
Yeah, that much
That
water
much
is
of
coming out.
tears you're having right now.
So we sorted everything. Okay. This is everything we sorted. The one last person which is left is small onions.
Guys, it's not like big onions, okay? This is not making me cry.
Yeah, it's not.
This is nice. It's very nice. And everyone have different ways of doing this, I guess. I'm seeing few people not using knives and few people cutting. Actually,
Bro, these onions you should have it just like, raw.
she is fan of raw things, man. Everything.
Because they're young.
This is yum.
God.
It's really good.
I think if I start eating like this, they throw things at me.
These onions also tend to add a lot more taste than the
Big onions.
Big onions, yeah.
That's true.
So guys, this is their college, lunch break. So
Guys, we have a presentation at 2 o'clock after lunch. So now our groupmates are arranging this Zoom meeting and for this preparation and trial presentation. So I'm on that thing.
Wow.
I'll join in the cooking once I'm done with this. And
guys, she is our
I
chef,
can-
okay? Chef bro.
I can already smell cooking. Oh my god. I can smell the onions. I can.
See, it is not cooking, it's just cutting.
Oh, I think Ganga Chechi started something.
Yeah, she started
Yeah.
potato.
I can smell something going on.
Guys, only because Nev was there, we thought we'll buy crab, okay? If we are cooking, then that's it. It won't be crab anymore. So Nev is back from her Zoom meeting.
I'm having jackfruit.
Jackfruit!
That's it. We can take a break.
I can help you.
We don't have time.
We can't afford to take
We
a
need
break.
more people. We need more hands.
There are a lot and we need to complete it soon. Otherwise, we won't have
I
lunch
can
today.
help you guys in this.
Yes, you have to help.
So guys, meanwhile everyone is super hungry. I thought I'll distribute jackfruit because Nev just reminded me of jackfruit. Guys, have it.
Thanks, bro.
I have like.
There is seed inside. My control.
Control.
Guys, I am so sorry. What I said is wrong.
What happened to you?
This onion also making me cry.
Aww.
More sensitive
Everyone
to
is
onions.
making you cry.
Because I think we cut this. Before it was not like this. Even I'm cutting.
Before it was not like. Since how long
I
have you
think
known
there is
this?
some thing with this.
Before I
revenge
didn't
with
cut.
this.
Yeah, before I didn't cut. When I cut, it took. What you said is correct.
So you
Revenge.
have one question for you.
Yeah.
Big onion or small onion will make you cry more.
Big onion, of course, yes. Because now I stopped.
But how is the fears of the small onions? The scent.
I think it's less so compared
Less,
to the big one.
less only.
I can
It's comparatively
hardly-
less.
I can
Small and
hardly
nicer
at
than the
least
big
smell the onion also. Like I can't even get that onion smell from the small onion.
You smell onions?
Like at least we'll get that flavor from onions. Even I'm not getting that also.
I think it depends on people.
Uh-huh.
Like who are very sensitive, they will cry.
Okay guys,
Yeah.
there is some onion topic going on. Okay, let them discuss with onion. So I'm just taking one jackfruit and leaving this place. So guys, this is our secret recipe we're going to reveal now.
Yeah.
So this is what you're going to
Okay,
see is our
so-
secret recipe that
Yeah.
Nev is going to explain now. Come on.
So we have a mixture of pepper, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric,
Salt.
garam masala, salt, and you can see the pepper cloves on the top. Those are pure
Round
pepper.
pepper.
Instead of taking the powder, we took this for that authentic and original flavor of that food. So this gonna bring that original the taste to our crab curry. So now we'll add this to our ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
There is also rock salt, organic rock salt added along with this.
Okay.
I can't wait to
This
taste
will be
this.
so good.
Yeah,
Wow.
the mix is
Okay.
amazing.
Nice smell.
And tomatoes and chilies all small. And we have lid cleaning the vessel that we're gonna cook today.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys,
man.
so the paste is finely grinded, but it's still coarse. That is the consistency we need for our curry.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so we'll add coconut oil, organic coconut oil to the pan. This is the same iron pan that we used before. Okay, guys, we added onions and mustard to the oil. Now we are adding small onions. We are finely roasting the onions. They should turn into golden color. Once they are turning into golden color, we'll add green chilies into them.
Yeah, so Nev is basically has class to attend, so she's told us what to do. And now we're going to add the green chilies. Look at those gorgeous color, golden brown in color, and then Nev will guide us what to do next.
So we're waiting for Nev now.
This is some great level of multitasking happening. Classes going on here, some content being shot, and then the cooking. Okay, so we're going to add some curry
Curry
leaves.
leaves, bunch of curry
Really
leaves.
colorful now.
Yeah, now
Yeah, I
it is
love
a combination of violet, purple, and green, guys.
Two types of
And you
food.
My mouth is watering.
Yeah, and you can smell the curry leaves because
Uh-huh.
again farm fresh and it's got the organic smell.
Can you smell this onions?
Oh, look at that! It smells
That looks
amazing.
so shiny with the even the oil and the mustard.
And the
looking
mustard
really
is
good.
giving the nice, grains there.
Yeah,
After
wow.
they turn brown, it will. Now we are adding tomatoes to our.
Now the color even more.
It became more colorful with red, green, yellows, oranges now.
Guys, the onions are perfectly, cooked and blended with the masala. So guys, the plate is ready here for the crab and we are preparing the masala here.
So
Never
guys,
doing that.
yeah, the masala is almost done.
Uh-huh.
The masala is properly cooked with onions. Now we'll add the container.
Okay.
the bigger
We have
plate.
a lot of.
So there
crabs.
is bigger.
So we'll put the crab here and the masala, right?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Now we'll add our crabs to the container and also add the coconut milk that we already strained before to the crabs. Oh my God, this looks so good. Wow. That's white along with the blues and greens of crab. Add all the masala that we cooked before to our crabs. Okay, so now we'll mix it properly. All the masala.
Okay guys, so we have put the masala into the crab and the milk, coconut milk. So it's so amazing guys. Oh my god.
The coconut milk.
The coconut is mixing with the masala,
And
the
also
coconut
crab.
milk, and also the crab.
And it's so rich.
And it's so
golden in
flavorful.
color. It's golden in
Nice
color.
smell, guys.
It started smelling, guys, so good. It's already lunchtime, and I'm like, close it now. And when you open it, it will be ready, guys. So by that time, we'll ready the whole thing, the rice and
All the
things will be set to ready.
Everything.
Yeah. So how much time this will take to cook?
It will take some 45 minutes. Around that time, again we need to. Yeah.
Amazing, guys.
Wait.
Everyone is on the slab, sitting on the slab, seeing the crab, how it is.
And the smell in between
So
coming in.
oh, amazing. The masala, it really worked, guys. The lemon, the leaf we added.
Lemon leaves.
Amazing.
I think it will give different
We were
flavor,
eating the leftover masala also.
Eating the
Like eager to wait. Like
Yeah.
we'll
Guys, so
taste
let's
of
go.
this. Okay, now what is this tomato food?
This tomato we are using this for salad.
Uh-huh.
So we can have it along with the curry.
Okay.
Munch it in between and have it.
Salad, guys. Salad things are going on. And what's happening there?
Again onion.
This is onion is here, guys. Yours here to try. So this basically we're going to Neb explain. The chef will explain. She's going to use the onions to garnish.
Yeah.
Tell the special way.
Yeah.
We're gonna fry this
Okay.
onions in ghee along with turmeric, and then we'll garnish it on our curry. You know,
On
well
top of
prepared
it.
curry. Yeah. And then you know,
It sounds good.
the floating
Imagine like, oh.
yeah, floating ghee with fried onions.
I think that's the one reason why I'm willing to cry again.
Okay, guys.
We'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of organic coconut oil.
Okay.
Now this adds more flavor to our salad.
Okay, just coconut oil and these veggies.
Yeah, we have tomatoes, onions, and finely chopped chilies.
Okay.
I'm just mixing them. Whoa. Actually, this coconut oil, you know, gives that flavor to the whole salad. It's a colorful greens,
Mix salad.
reds, oranges, and add little bit of salt to the salad and mix it well. I think this much salt would be fine.
Okay.
Our tasty salad will be ready. Okay guys, so now we are frying our onions. You know, these onions are very finely cut, and these will fry and we'll garnish our curry at the end. Our curry is perfectly boiling here. The prawns, the crabs you can see on the top. I think it will take little more time. So now we are adding little bit of turmeric to our onions. A little bit of ghee to the onions, you know, for that flavor to come. Oh my god. You can see the onions are well fried in the ghee.
I can get the smell right now.
We are adding our fried onions to our curry, which are fried in ghee and lot of turmeric shit.
Guys, the crab has changed its color.
So now the curry is ready, and to make it, like to finish it, let's add some coconut milk at the ending.
Okay.
So that you know you'll get that
Here
raw
is your
flavor
coconut
of coconut milk. Oh my god.
Oh,
Let's
guys.
add. Yeah, we're all
Pouring coconut milk. Wow, guys. This is so good.
Oh my god, that smell.
The curry is boiling like this.
The whole
And guys, the crab, every blue crab turned into orange, okay? That is
I said no. What is that's the chemical reaction that happens there. I don't know why.
what it said is really correct.
I can see
It has, you know, 19 years experience of eating. The milk is completely mixed with the curry. And I also off the flame so that you know the flavor is still there.
Okay.
Of the coconut milk, yeah.
Okay, guys, our crab curry is ready. Let's taste. Taste.
It's so hot.
So who's going first to taste?
Let's look at it.
Okay, let's
Taste hot.
Okay.
My mouth is watering.
How is it? Come on.
That. Oh, it's been too long since I ate crab. The crab taste, all the flavors, and the special ginger garlic paste. That flavor is there.
Okay, who's next? Come on. Okay, Trix is going.
I'll do it again.
See, if we are going one by one, make it fast, okay? I can't bear this.
Even I can't wait. My mouth is watering. Very thick,
After this,
super flavorful, and it's so good. And the coconut milk is the best.
Wow. Next.
I'm gonna
Leo is
taste
going
it.
next.
So waiting there.
Okay, you. How's it?
Very nice.
So good.
The flavor, I can taste each and every flavor in this.
Nice. What's next?
Who's going next? So,
Guys, I'm going really fast, okay? I'm the last one to get it.
I can understand that.
Oh, so good.
she's
Oh,
like
it's so
wanting
good.
one.
Really?
Oh my god.
Really,
I-
Dev?
Next, can you taste it?
Next.
Grace, wait.
Guys.
Oh
my god, the crab is. I now I want to taste the crab. Guys, never want to taste it too.
Okay, now I will taste it how it is. Shit.
How's it?
Simply amazing.
So guys, everyone is here. Everyone is very much hungry. Want to eat it? Okay, come on, Nev. Start.
The gravy is so
Oh my god, the crab.
Creamy gravy
Take the
of
crab. Take the
coconut.
crab.
Okay, I'm taking the body so that I'll have lot of flesh to eat.
Oh god.
coating the rice so
Very
perfectly.
creamy.
Wow.
Shit. That coconut milk. That
Really good.
I can see.
Okay.
Oh my
god. Okay, guys, I'm checking the quality of the food.
Because we did something in between, so we need to check the quality.
Okay, she's gonna take the first bite. How is it?
How is it?
Simply amazing.
I can
Simply
get
amazing.
What about the crab?
What? How about eat the crab? Eat the crab. Come on.
The creaminess of coconut milk and crab flavor both together is amazing.
Guys, she's gonna break the crab open and have the meat inside.
I can see the steam.
The meat is like falling apart.
Oh my!
It's jiggly wiggly.
Wow!
It's melting inside my mouth. Literally melting.
Yeah, it's over. Just in 2 seconds.
Guys, how is the salad with the rice that we tried?
Let's try salad.
Yeah. Guys, this is the salad we tried with just coconut oil, and she's gonna mix it with the crab curry and have it.
That mixing is really
I can't stop staring into the plate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Better you try fast, bro. We're gonna attack you.
With quality checking have to be fast.
How's it?
Wow.
She got the crunchiness.
Yeah. The coconutty.
That's something.
You can see all the
A
emotions
lot
on her
of
face.
things going on.
How is it?
How's it?
Along with the creaminess and the fresh, vegetable taste with coconut oil.
Wow.
Yeah,
I
crab
think
actually.
everyone is wanting, eagerly waiting for it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, attack! Okay, guys, here is our crab. I'm gonna take the legs of it. Come on, come on.
Very hot, man.
Guys, as I said, the crab have turned its color.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can see that.
So
by
good.
the dot.
Guys, we have Ganga Chechi have made this for us. Potato along with these. So let's try it all together.
Oh my god, this is
This
amazing.
is so amazing.
So yummy. It's melting in the mouth, and just crab meat is amazing.
Look at it falling apart. Look at the meat just falling apart. Okay.
Can I get that?
It's I think the best crab I've tasted till now. Too good.
I'm gonna mix everything
think-
like salad and everything. Then I will taste it. Okay.
Full combo.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix this
It's
combo.
amazing, guys.
So I'm gonna have it. With the salad, it's amazing.
Thanks, man. Yeah.
And
Okay, guys. Yeah, this is our culture of eating, in single plate from many days. We have started this, and this is a part of bond building in between us, and also it's a good, pattern.
And the food
Yeah.
will go so fastly. So fast. It is not slow.
You don't know who is having more.
Exactly. You will have a balanced diet every day.
And the best part is you get all of our mixes also. So everybody has their unique taste, unique way of blending the curries and all of that. So you get that also.
Yeah, man, that's
Lot of
amazing.
exploration in flavors
Taking
and all
all
this
this
mix.
mix.
That's amazing.
It's amazing.
Okay, guys, the crab curry was amazing, super, fantastic. We loved it, Nev. Amazing. Thank you so much. So, guys, try it at home. This is so good, and I'm telling you guys, you will make it again and again and again. So, till then, we are signing off. So, see you in next episode. Bye.